What happened?
Yeah, first take. What?
Come on, baby.
What? What? She's alive! Idling great too!
Man, no O2's in here.
I know.
No cooling in here.
No O2, no coolant, no
She fires up after she runs down a little bit.
yeah. Like it ain't nothing. Bust right off. Will it take any gas? Oh yeah, she sounds good.
Awesome.
What?
Coming soon to you.
Coming soon, baby. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the jail, boys. Yes, the first pop off, the first fire, and 4-8 fire right up. We had one issue. We had a wire that we had to repair in here, but my God, guys, we're gonna get back to 4-8, and I'll kind of go over everything we've got going. But right now we've got to run over to Steve's Fab Shop. We've got brand new parts from Detroit Speed, and he's got the suspension mocked up on the 79. Let's ride over there, and then we'll get back. We'll check back in 4-8, guys. I've got something big coming for 4-8 to just kind of like top off this build. So let's get over to Steve's Fab Shop. All right, we've arrived at Steve's Fab Shop.
Grab one of these 2 pieces.
Yeah, take one of them chickens home.
One of these
Man,
2 pieces.
look at the size of that thing. Good God.
Yeah, I know.
You don't want that thing chasing you down the road. Alright, let's see what he's got working.
You need new parts, huh?
Yeah, lots and lots of new parts. What? Who's this guy? What's this guy doing? How's it going? Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's why we're here. Thanks, Steve.
Then you gotta open this too.
Oh, yeah, we got more. We got more Detroit Speed. Look at this. Just a mock-up, of course. Yeah, just a mock-up, but... Dude, that is badass. That's gonna be so sick.
Best 79 around, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that's.
You talking about that table, ain't you?
Yeah.
That's about all of it, man.
Yeah, Steve, we love the table too. Right now we're drooling over the.
You made that table too.
Man.
I guess it comes with those bushings for the rooms.
No.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys. So brand new, unreleased parts from Detroit Speed. There it is. Basically, guys, what this does is totally reinforce the upper torque boxes and where your upper control arms attach. It reinforces the entire body up in that area as well. Yes, what? But yeah, guys, it's brand new. This kind of goes in conjunction with all the suspension, the lower subframe connectors, all that good stuff.
That's what I just had. Oh, well, yes, I don't remember.
Okay, so this goes up between the two upper link
Like that
boxes.
right there, that's how it is.
Okay, those are the ones that go in the pockets.
Yeah.
Those reinforce the pockets, and then you've got these plates on the outside.
So,
That goes to here.
I guess these are the
You know, they'll be
same.
Yeah, I imagine they are.
Let's go like that.
Yeah, and then it's got, and then what? These
It
plates.
goes here, and these holes line up with them 2 holes. It gives you an extra hole for
Yeah,
your arm.
so you can adjust up or down if you need to.
Just up.
And then there's those go inside the pocket. Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. Talk about being 100% solid. Then of course you got all your hardware, detailed instructions. Too cool. Yeah, this looks amazing.
Sure, all the stuff's left on my car to hook it up.
Dude, you're gonna be so rock solid on the back of this thing. Guys, Detroit Speed has a complete in-depth installation video of the upper link pocket, upper cork box reinforcements. Those will be on, these will be for sale by the time you see them. Don't forget code Foxcast at checkout. But just kind of getting everything mocked up. The rear end is going to get narrowed, but Steve's just trying to get an idea how this is going to look. So super excited to see this project come together. Oh man. All right guys, so back at the shop, and yes boys, we are still holding on a few parts, but I just wanted to give you an update. Yes, she is alive and kicking and percolating. We got a few things. Like I said, we got a few parts we're still missing, but I want to raise the car up. You can see the underside, got all the exhaust on. All right, boys, so up underneath, you can see you got all the exhaust on. Everything's tightened down. And you hear it sounds really good. I'm gonna clean the tips up and stuff, but you can see they're sitting perfect. Gonna wipe all those down. Let's see what else. We did get the motor mount swapped, so the engine's sitting not cockeyed anymore, so that's a good thing. So what we're waiting on, I've got to get oxygen sensors. Forgot about those. And then also I ordered from LMR the bracket to move the brake line that was over here to over here, so that'll be V8 spec as well. And then of course you got the oxygen sensors there, oxygen sensor plugs, and then of course our brand new power steering line is leaking for some reason, so we're gonna pull that off, swap that out, bleed the brakes, and everything down here is pretty well done. All right guys, so listen, my good friend Tom Clark, Sinus Built, he actually makes custom center caps. Not really center caps, but the overlays, and he sent these over, and I'm telling you guys, these are freaking amazing. So if I'll have a link to him in the description for his Instagram, but he can basically do it all, and these are like the perfect touch. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these on the wheels, and they're gonna look freaking great. All right guys, so obviously I wasn't gonna film and try to get this centered up, but there you go boys. That is freaking perfect. Oh my god, yeah, I gotta clean the wheels up. They're still a little bit dirty from getting the tires mounted, but again, hit up Sinus Built Facebook or Instagram. He can pretty much do anything as far as a center cap. These look freaking great. It's just like the icing on the cake. All right guys, so back up under the hood. I've got a brand new battery installed. Let's see, we've got to charge the air. I've got some good forward wire separators coming, so we'll get the wires organized. I gotta put bulbs in the lights, and that's gonna be pretty much it, boys, mechanically. We gotta get a flange on the drive shaft, and we'll put the drive shaft in. It'll be ready to go. I'm about to start doing some surgery on these, and man, what do you think? Should we start it up one more time?
Why not?
Just for the hell of it? See what you do?
I mean, it does start.
Yes, it does. I just thinking that it starts is... I just can't freaking believe it. Can't freaking believe it. Check engine light on, but that's pretty amazing, guys. I'll rev it up a little bit so you can hear it. Not too bad at all. Okay, guys, real quick before I let you go, we have a plan for the blue car, but we're not going to tell you just yet. Yeah, we're not going to tell you just yet. We are doing the bay, which we were going to do the bay anyway. So that's what's going on right now. Dover's got it pretty well stripped down, and it's going to go off to Nick's and get the treatment, the engine bay treatment, like all the other ones. So probably here in the next couple of videos, we will reveal what Jennings decided to do with the Bimini blue car. It's going to be pretty cool, guys. I think you're going to like it. So I know I'm excited. It's going to be epic. We haven't done it yet, so excited. Dover, you're excited, yeah?
Always.
No, Dover's always excited. So there you go, guys. Keep it tuned again. And I have another large box coming for 4 to 8. And I'll just go ahead and tell you guys, we put a lot of time, money, blood, sweat, tears into this car, and we didn't want to let it go. We wanted to make sure we were proud of the car when we let it go, and so you'll just have to wait and see what that box is in an upcoming video. And so we'll go ahead and tell you, it'll be going to a new owner for pretty quick. I'll once we got all the parts in, we get it aligned. That's it, and we're gonna draw and delivery. Well, we're going to do a first drive, obviously, but yeah, delivery. And so, guys, I'm telling you, please, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. We got so much cool stuff coming. I can't even handle it. I mean, like, I don't even know. But, in the meantime, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will be back very shortly.